Never search these 10 things on internet, or I mean on chat GPT or any AI, because it can kill your privacy and its privacy at risk. So today's video is about this, that what kind of 10 things we should never search on AI. I'm Gogi from How to Do It, and today we're gonna talk about long days we have not made any video. From today we will gonna continue video and continue providing you the greatest things you can search on internet. So let's begin the video, and I gonna tell you about that AI all itself tell us that we do not. One second, from here stop using AI like this. Sorry. What should we no do? Yes, that one. First of all, we should never share our personal identity. Yes, we should not share our identity card and card numbers, passport details, driving license, voter ID card, anything like this, because your identity documents are extremely sensitive and can be used by any terror attack or anything like this. And for taking new sim card or anything, that can be very harmful for you, making and opening a new account on your name, and can be very harmful for you. So misuse, leaks, and someone could steal your identity or commit any fraud in your name. So keep in mind that. Never share banking details, and never ask AI questions like my account number is this one, and I have a problem like this, and never share ATM card details, CVV number, PIN, and OTP. Many silly people do this. This can be lead to financial frauds. Never upload private documents. Never ever do this. Never upload your private photos, passport scans, document IDs, and salary slips, legal agreements, or medical reports, because it can be used and it's very sensitive and personal documents that can be used. And if you have shared your personal photos, then can be morphed and can be used for threatening you, or can be shared on internet, and that can be very bad for you. And AI is automatically learning machine that works. So that way, never ask AI for legal illegal activities. Yes, how to hack someone, how to track software, how to scam people, how to bypass security system. This is extremely dangerous, not only in unethical, but it may can also lead to a legal consequences. So keep in mind that. Never ask and never do anything like this. Never share your password. That's a very great thing. You can check your password is strong, and that can be very bad for you. And you sharing a real password, never share email accounts, social media, bank apps, work accounts, or anything like this, because it's key to your digital life and can be hacked from there. Never share company confidential information. Many people, by mistake or by knowingly, they share company documents, client data, and internal reports, and business strategies and business ideas. And if AI to learn from that, and anyone ask for that or kind of that idea can be shared with anyone. So keep in mind that data leakage and legal problems can be there if you do about your companies like this. Never use AI as your doctor. That's very crucial. Many people just ask AI that I have a fever, and what should I do, and AI suggests that you should do this and this, and in many conditions it can show you that you have a cancer. And after that, hearing that, you start getting into panic and start taking wrong medicines and treatment and unnecessary panic. So that AI is not a medical professional. So ask your doctor before taking any medication or taking any tension or panic. Never share your exact location. Many people do, and it should be avoided by you, that your home address, daily routine, travel plans when you are alone at home. This kind of information can be privacy and safety risk for you, and any enemy of yours can use against you. Never ask AI to create fake stories about someone. Users ask AI to create stories against anyone, and it became defamation, because which means this disrespecting or damaging someone's reputation is very harmful, and spreading false information is can be lead to illegal troubles. And last, the not the least, never ask AI for dangerous experiments. Someone people ask AI for things like risky chemical experiment, dangerous stunt, harmful tricks. Trying such things without proper knowledge can be lead to serious injuries and accidents. So hope you understood what kind of 10 things you should never do on AI. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.